Good day everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be discussing about the very interesting but kind of confusing subject of debits and credits. It's very important for us as accountants or accounting students to really understand from the beginning the concept of debits and credits. You find debits and credits everywhere in accounting, and if you don't know what debit and credit means and how it's used, you're going to be completely lost when it comes to accounting equations and accounting transactions. So let's go to the point. What does debit and credit mean? And I've heard from many students many different ideas and many different concepts. Some students think that debit means increase and credit means decrease. Some students think that debit means adding and credit means subtracting. Debit means cash and credit means liability. None of that is true, guys. Debit, if you notice the word debit, it's abbreviated as DR. DR. Why? Is it because it was created in the Dominican Republic? No. Going back thousands and thousands of years ago, the founders of accounting, they chose a very specific language, a combination of Greek and Latin, and the original word was deveret. Deveret. And then because it was difficult to pronounce, they over the time it became debit, and that's why it's abbreviated as DR, because it kept the abbreviation of its original word, which was deveret. And credit was severet. It was abbreviated CR. Over time it became credit, but its original words were deveret and severet. And all it meant, guys, all it meant was left and right. That's it. Left and right. So debit, deveret, debit only means left, and credit, severet, credit, only means right. If the fathers of accounting would choose to speak any other language, let's say Spanish, it would be derecha and izquierda. French, Russian, Portuguese, any other language that you would choose would be the equivalent of left and right. All right, so that's why when you look at a ledger account, which is also called a T account, the debit is always on the left and the credit is always on the right, because that's what it means, left and right. All right, so let's do some practices. Let's try to practice over the weekend, guys, and then I'll ask you to raise your debit hand and then raise your credit hand, raise your debit feet and raise your credit feet. If you take a cab, practice with the cab driver. Can you please make a credit turn on the corner, and then my house is at the debit of that tree? Or with your parents, can you please pass me the glass of water that is on the debit side of the microwave? Or can you pass me that pen that is on the credit side of the TV? Right? Try to practice debit and credit, left and right. That's it. That's it. Once you get that into your mind, that debit and credit only means left and right, following the rules that apply to debit and credit is going to be a lot easier, guys. Please look at the next video for the rules on how to use debit and credit. All right? See you.